Good morning, sir. I'm Jasmine D. Manuel and the Chief Coordinator of Eventic by Jazz. Our company, Propal Eventic by Jazz, is established in 2021 and proudly based in Arellano, Tagupan City, Pangasinan. Eventic by Jazz is a full-service event planning and management business dedicated to turning your ideas into beautiful, memorable celebrations. We understand that every event tells a story, and our goal is to make sure yours is told perfectly. Our company locations is Arellano, Dagupan City, Pangasinan, beside Joe's Restaurant. Here's our contact details and information. We have two social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram. Our Facebook name is Eventic by Jazz, and our Instagram name is Eventic by Jazz Official, and our email is eventic.byjazz@gmail.com, and our contact number is 0926-397-0074. Our vision is to become a leading event management service recognized for excellence, creativity, and commitment in making every celebration unforgettable. Our mission is to provide professional, reliable, and personalized event solutions, handling every detail with care so client can cherish their moments worry-free. This is our client demographic profiles. Number one is professional and non-professional. Number two, employed and unemployed individuals. Number three is age 18 years old and above. And four is all genders and cultural backgrounds. And five is client seeking quality and excellent event service experience. Let me introduce to you my team. This is Christine Joyce Calyao, the program coordinator, and Philemon Bibinluan III, the project coordinator, and lastly, Christine Grace Dorado, our marketing coordinator. And this is me, Jasmine D. Manuel, the event chief coordinator. This is our products and services. We cater for different services. This is personal events, leisure events, corporate events, and social cultural events. In personal events, we have birthdays, wedding, anniversary, gender reveal, christening, bridal shower, and baby shower. Our leisure events, we have pageant, team building, and concert. And our corporate events, we have gala, Christmas party, seminar, product launch, company anniversary, workshop, training sessions, team building activities, and awarding ceremony, recognition party. And lastly, our social cultural events, we have festival, fiesta, community gatherings like barangay fiesta. And this is our marketing technique. We have free giveaways, social media platforms, and behind the scene planning. So free giveaways naman, dito if client book with us, makakakuha sila ng free giveaways natin for thankful na nag-book sila sa atin. And social marketing promotions to give them brand awareness to our events and behind the scene planning. Ito yung kapag nag-book sila sa atin, makikita nila yung mga ginagawa natin sa mga nag-book sa atin, like yung mga decorations, ganun. They will see the effort that we're doing. This is our event package. Dito si basic package, standard package, and our premium package. Sa basic package naman, we have 95,000. Nandito na ang event planning, coordination, venue styling, setup, sound system, and basic lighting. Main dishes, we have 3 dishes, dessert, soft drinks, and good for 60 guests. And our standard package is, price range natin sa standard package is 200,000, all in basic package. Full theme customization, complete table setup, and linens. We have main 4 dishes. Nandito na, main 4 dishes. Chicken barbecue, chicken fillet, chop suey, and pork noodle. And we have 1 soft drinks lang and good for 100 guests. And our premium package, we have price range natin sa premium package is 350,000. All in standard package na siya. Premium venue, styling, and decor. Professional sound, stage, and lighting effects. Main dishes is 4 dishes lang din. And 1 dessert, 1 soft drinks, and good for 150 guests. Meron tayong ads-on services then, additional guests, 1,000 to 1,500 per head, live band entertainments, 8,000 onwards, and fireworks special effects, 12,000 onwards. These our legal requirements na nagpapakita na legit tayo. This is our rules and regulations for our employee and staff. Number 1 is attendance and punctuality. Report to the assigned venue or office at least 1 to 2 hours before the scheduled event time. Immediately inform management in case of lateness or inability to report due to valid reasons. And lastly, observe proper typekeeping during setup, event proper, and clean up. Number 2, uniform and grooming. Wear the complete prescribed uniform and ID all times while on duty. Maintain proper grooming such as neat hair, trim nails, and minimal jewelry. Avoid wearing strong perfumes and appropriate casual attire during events. Number 3, conduct and professionalism. Treat clients, guests, and coworkers with respect, courtesy, and professional at all times. Avoid using mobile phones or personal use while on duty unless official work purposes. Refrain the engaging arguments, loud conversation, or inappropriate behavior in front of clients. Follow instructions from the event coordinator or manage properly and professionally. Number 4, work experience and responsibility. Perform assigned tasks efficiently and accurate with full responsibility. Handle equipment, decoration, and materials with care. Report any damages, loss, accident immediately to the supervisor. Ensure the venue is clean and organized before, during, and after the event. And lastly, the safety and policies. Follow all safety guidelines to prevent accident and injuries. Do not consume or take home any food, drinks, or item intended of the events without permissions. And 3, maintain confidentially or of client information, even event details and company matters. And lastly, smoking, drinking alcohol, or using illegal substance while on duty is strictly prohibited. This is our SWOT analysis for strength, flexible pricing package, personalized service, local knowledge and connections, complete in-house services, and simple, elegant styling. Our weaknesses is new brand, limited capital, small team, growing portfolio, supplier, and our opportunities is high event demand, social media marketing, local partnership, customable offers, and rising need for organizers. And lastly, the threats. High competition, rising costs, seasonal slowdown, weather risk, and price sensitivity. This is our completed project events. We have gender reveal. We have Mr. and Mrs. Aquino, January 10, 2022 at Doyong Center's event. March 31 at City Deluxe Dagupan City. April 26, 2021 in Lucky Digno, Karanglaan. Ito naman is birthdays. This is the first birthday of Ayesha Silverius at the Silverius Restaurant in July 5, 2022. 18th birthday and 7th birthday in Pinky's Restaurant, July 31, 2022. This is the wedding. Sir Raymark and Rose, April 24, 2022 at the Villa Tondaligan Beach, and Mrs. and Mrs. Jet and Ayesha at Ciudad Elmina in May 5, 2022. This is our company partners, Pedritos, JetPro, City Deluxe, Nature Spring, Goldilocks, Coca-Cola, Balloons, Sherry's Balloons, and Adoras. This is our event brief. Community night. What? Together, community night, together in fun and talent, an evening featuring talent shows, games, raffles, and special performance of the resident of the barangay, where at the Barangay Salisao Covered Court, Barangay Salisay, when May 25, 2026, and 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Who, barangay officials, SK officials, resident and barangay Salisay to 100, 200 participants, performers, youth and volunteers, event organizers, and staff. Why? To strengthen unity within the community, to provide an opportunity for residents to showcase their talents, to offer entertainment and environment for all ages, and to build strong relationship among community members. Descriptions is clearly defines the event as evening gathering from 5 to 10 p.m. at Barangay Salisay Covered Court, featuring a talent show, fun games, exciting raffles draw, and special performances suitable for residents of all ages. It is by barangay officials, SK officials, youth volunteers, and around 100 to 200 of Barangay Salisay, offering a chance to enjoy entertainment, win prizes, showcase skills, and bond with neighbors. It provides complete details including data, time, venue, and activities objectives, making easy for organized platform for local talent, foster positive relationship, and creates meaningful memories for everyone. With its clearly theme and purpose, it serves as strong material for promotion through poster and social media and announcement encouraging maximum and participation from the community. This is our event layout. Nandito yung showdown area natin or stage area. Dito yung guests and VIP guests. Dito yung sa entrance and exit natin. This is our token na mapapamigay natin sa mga resident of Barangay Salisay. Isang notebook and isang tumbler. But this is limited lang. This is our event run sheet. 5:30 p.m. 5 p.m. Set up and registrations. In charge organizing team. 5:30 p.m. Guest arrival. User staff. 6 p.m. opening prayer and national anthem. MCM representative. 6:10 p.m. welcome remarks. Barangay officials. 6:30 p.m. talent show and performance. MC and judges. 7:30 p.m. fun and games prizes. Activity team. 8:15 p.m. rapper draw. Activity 3. 8:45 p.m. announcement of the winners, judges, and official. 9:15 p.m. closing of message and photo of head official. And 9:40 p.m. venue cleanups. All staff volunteers, and 10 p.m. is events and our event program. 5 to 5:30 is the preparation and registration. Duration 30 minutes. 5:30 to 6 p.m. is arrival and sitting of guests 30 minutes. 6 to 6:10 p.m. is opening prayers, national anthem 10 minutes. 6:10 p.m. to 6:20 p.m. is welcome remarks 10 minutes. 6:20 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. is talent show performance 70 minutes. And 7:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. is fun games and intermissions 30 minutes. And 8 p.m. and 8:40 p.m. is continuation of performances 40 minutes. And 8:40 to 9 p.m. is announcement of the winners and awarding 20 minutes. And 9 p.m. to 9:20 p.m. is raffle do 20 minutes. And 9:20 to 9:35 p.m. is closing remarks and group photo 20 minutes. And 9:35 p.m. to 10 p.m. is clean up dismissal. Our event checklist. This is our event checklist. Drinks and food na siya down to first aid and safety. Our budget proposal, nandito is our subtotal is 112,000 and contingency fund is 56,000 and professional management fee is 28,200 and the BAT fee is 17,450 equals of 163,296,000. Our time frame. Time frame is 2 months before activity task, meeting with clients, presentation of the proposal, signing contract of down payment, commitment meeting and check of needed materials suppliers 1 month before booking and confirmation of venue, securing required permits and clearance, finalizing activities and program flow. 2 weeks before is meeting with the whole team and client, finalizing menu prices and schedule, coordinating with suppliers and performers. 1 week before, final checking of all equipment, briefing all staff and volunteers, preparation of materials and certificate. Day before event, delivery of items, materials, sounds and lightning testing, final arrangement plan, and day of event, venue setup and preparation, program implementation and supervision and documentation, and after event, venue cleanup and equipment return, liquidation of expenses, submission of final report. Letter intent. Our letter intent is formal intentions natin para sa client. Nakasulat dito lahat. This is our letter of intent. Ito yung contract of agreement. Nakasaad dito lahat ng details na napagkasunduan nyo ng client mo, payment terms, payment terms, like that. This is the invoice. Nakasulat dito yung mga proof of binayaran mo. And thank you. And thank you po.